functional and stylish backpack is essential for those who need to stay organized and productive on the go. Introducing the Alex S1 Portable Backpack, a minimalist, water-repellent everyday bag that doubles as a movable office with a unique shelf layout. Designed for commuting, work, and travel, it features a tech pouch, gym duffel space, and a roll-top backpack design for maximum flexibility. The triangle divider and gadget panel provide instant access and privacy, while side and back pockets keep essentials well organized. Made from PU-coated nylon, it is durable, stylish, and professional. Whether as a camera bag, workstation, or day bag, the Alex S1 adapts to any lifestyle. A reliable and easy-to-set-up tent is essential for a comfortable outdoor adventure. The Fantic Outdoor Alpha Camping Tent is a spacious and weather-resistant shelter designed for quick and effortless setup with its pre-installed pop-up frame that assembles in just 60 seconds. Built for comfort and convenience, it features a roomy interior, excellent ventilation, and rollable eaves for a breathable and scenic camping experience. The X-frame structure provides windproof stability, while its waterproof fabric and seam tape keep the interior dry. Equipped with a durable 300D bottom fabric, an SBS zipper, and a built-in storage bag, this portable hub tent ensures reliability and ease for camping, overlanding, and outdoor activities. A compact and durable portable solution is essential for outdoor adventures and emergencies. Meet the Dodgy Stoolet, a multifunctional outdoor essential that serves as a portable toilet, sturdy stool, stepladder, and storage container all in one. Designed for durability and convenience, it is lightweight, foldable, and easy to carry, making it perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, and travel. Built to withstand various environments, it ensures stability and support while maintaining eco-friendly functionality. With a smart assembly design, it offers quick setup and easy use, providing maximum load capacity without compromising safety. Whether for daily use or emergencies, the Stoolet is a reliable and space-saving companion. Visibility and safety are crucial for nighttime running and cycling activities. The T-Lonx flashing light jersey combines style, comfort, and safety with its detachable LED flashing light strip, making it ideal for both day and night use. Featuring USB charging, the light strip offers 3 modes: flash, slow flash, and full light, ensuring you are visible in low light conditions. The jersey is crafted from cool Lycra fabric for an excellent elastic fit and features breathable, quick-dry polygon polyester. Reflective strips and a zipper pocket enhance convenience and visibility. The Velcro design allows easy removal of the light strip for easy washing, making it both functional and practical. A compact and secure wallet is essential for organizing your travel essentials. The Alex P1 Passport Slim Wallet is designed to hold everything you need while maintaining a super slim and compact profile. Crafted from high-quality materials with a water-repellent PU coating, it offers quick access slots for cards, cash, and coins, as well as a passport sleeve. This wallet features a unique SIM card slot, dual key slots, and a coin pocket, making it perfect for travel. It holds up to 8 to 10 cards and offers instant access with easy browsing for convenience. Lightweight, secure, and sleek, this wallet keeps your essentials organized without the bulk. For water sports enthusiasts, reliable and functional sunglasses are a must. The Seafarer floating sunglasses are specially designed for water sports, featuring floating frames to prevent them from sinking. These sunglasses come with polarized lenses for clear vision, and hydrophobic, anti-fog, and scratch-resistant lenses to ensure maximum protection and clarity. The ergonomic nose wedge provides extra comfort and traction, even when wet, while the detachable adjustable strap keeps them secure during intense activities. With a durable hard case and microfiber pouch, they are easy to carry and keep safe. Available in 3 lens colors and 2 frame options, these sunglasses are perfect for any water adventure.